In this video, you will build a Trading Studio dashboard in 3 ways. Then use AI to analyze the market. First, choose a panel template to create a complete layout in one click. Second, for full control, start with a blank view and open the widgets library. Add a Superchart and drag it into the main workspace. Add trade for fast order entry. Then add the P&L and portfolio widgets to track account activity. Add a watch list to monitor the symbols that matter most. Use stock profile for company details and key statistics. Close the library, then resize each panel to match your workflow. For the third method, simply describe the dashboard you want in the AI chat. Trading Studio creates the workspace and adds the requested widgets automatically. AI verifies the layout and confirms when the dashboard is ready. You can also use AI to analyze the data on your dashboard. Ask in plain English, for example, draw support and resistance lines for NVDA. AI routes the request to a chart specialist and applies the analysis directly to the Superchart. Support and resistance levels appear directly on the chart. The response also summarizes the levels and highlights the key takeaway. Open Trading Studio and start building dashboards and analyzing markets with AI today.